Hello, my name is Kim Sauer at Apex 2016. I'm joined today by Bert Ohlig from Fabcon. Bert, it's great to see you here. The first thing, I don't know if we can see this on camera, but you've got a really, really nice, shiny and bright name tag with Fabcon on that. Let's talk about the background to the company, because you're traditionally known as a different company.
Yes.
And there's been some activity there. So give us some
well,
history.
First with the illuminated badge, we're all about illuminating, about making exposure sources, so it's apt that our badges would light up. We're known from Ohlig. From 1977 on, we've been a world leader in producing contact exposure sources, high-powered ultraviolet sources. Due to the cyclical nature of the industry, we had to consolidate. So one of our entities, Fabcon, that fabricated, has become the parent company. So the Ohlig product line remains the same, but we would like to be known as the parent name. It gives us a lot of strength and security in that we have a portfolio of products and we're no longer subject to variability in the industry.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and let's talk about the products that you're offering. And we're here at Apex in San Diego, not in San Diego. In this year, it's in Las Vegas. Next year, San Diego. Mm-hmm. But you've got some products here that are on show. What are you focusing on?
New products to meet the needs. One of our major focuses has to do with the agile nature that a fabricator requires in our market here, in the European market. We have a product that's based on our self-aligning exposure frame, the AccuTray, become the traditional method with 4 cameras and 10 servo motors per tray to ensure fine alignment, most importantly to assure that the alignment is within tolerance before the tray goes in to make the exposure. The unique aspect this year is a solid state source internally. With a solid state source, we can very accurately control the spectrum, the intensity, the speed, and the collimation. So we can provide a very wide process latitude. It's an economical and earth-friendly, but the principal aspect is the energy consumption. The heat generation is substantially less. The lamps will last for many years. Mm-hmm. That provides an economy, but it also provides a consistency in the production.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and what sort of market segments are you particularly attracting with this type of solution?
The attractive aspect is that it's suitable for inner layers, it's suitable for outer layers, it's very fast for solder mask. We're talking about producing 2 to 6 sides per minute. It's conventional in the fact that we require films, but it's hard to beat that kind of productivity and economy, particularly when you're making a series of panels. Mm-hmm. But it's also so suitable for solder mask, photo legend, embedded passives. Virtually every imaging process can be accomplished with a single machine.
Mm-hmm. And if you could summarize maybe some of the key trends and issues that are influencing your product development and your future, which direction are we going?
Well, in the case of this unit, it's the versatility and economy. The other product line that we're introducing is a digital imaging device. And fundamentally, there are 2 characteristics. One is a serial, an individual spot that's flying across the board that's exposing with a laser, the laser direct. The other I consider parallel rather than serial, where in the version on the machine on the floor is 1.5 million mirrors that we're exposing in a parallel fashion. The most unique aspect of our system is that with a single pass, with a reasonable pixel size, we're able to produce 32,000 dpi resolution. And that's so important. When you zoom into a photograph and you get nearer to the pixels, it looks like a chessboard, and you'll have raster on the edges, and it's very difficult to control a line width. It's plus minus a pixel. In our case, the edges are such that we'll get 0.78 microns per step, and you're able to hold impedance control work down to microns of width.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for the overview, and I wish you great success here at the show.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.